Hey, what's going on? Dave back again, and today we're going to be taking a look at another MACROSS figure. This, of course, is from Max Factory and was picked up over at Hobby Link Japan. This is going to be Reina Prowler. We're not going to waste much time. We're going to jump down to the table, take a look at what comes in the box, and then close out the video. So without further ado, let's do it. All right, so here we are with Reina Prowler MF-13 from Max Factory, MACROSS Delta, minimum factory 1/20th scale. This is another one of those boxes that has that kind of rubberized texture to it. I do really like it. There's just something about it. I don't know. Taking a look at the back side, you have everything in Japanese. You do get two shots over here. You get a painted version and a stock version. Inside the package, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 baggies, a packet of decals, and the instruction manual. All right, taking a look at what comes in the package, you get one sheet of water slide decals with decorations, these little skull things, and her eyes. You get an instruction manual / poster. This does fold out more. I just can't get the whole thing in the shot. These are very cool. I like if these were mine, I would end up putting them up on the wall, but these are on loan to me. On the inside, you get a parts list. You get the construction part, which is really simple. I like the fact that they just keep it kind of minimal, like it's all on one page. You don't have to go flipping through and everything. This one's probably one of the more complex ones that I've ended up unboxing so far. On the back side, you have the makeup, which is showing you where all of the decals end up going. On the first runner we're going to take a look at, this is in flesh color. This is going to be parts of the legs, the face, the top of the torso. Second runner we're going to look at is in white, and these are going to be her shoes and just little details on her. Runner 3, this is going to be in a lime green, and this is going to be hair parts. Runner 4, there's only going to be one piece on here, and this is kind of it's in an odd blue. It looks blue on the camera, but it's actually more of like an aquamarine blue. So this is going to be part of her dress. Runner 5, you're going to end up getting a part of the dress. Runner 6, you're going to get the base. You're going to get other parts that are on here. Runner 7, you're going to get, let's see, looks like parts for like the cuff collar, or this goes around the waist. You get some headphones over here. This is a very kind of Miku inspired. This has a very Miku vibe to it. And lastly, you have this, it's almost a neon minty green color, and these are going to be just different parts of her clothing. So you get 8 runners, 1 decal sheet, 1 instruction manual. All right, boys and girls, if you like these videos and you want to see more, there's a few more of these that are coming. But if you want to see more and you want to see these guys all built up, definitely hit that like button. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. I haven't determined whether I'm going to build these up and do individual little videos, or if I'm going to just build them all up and do a all-around video. Let me know down below what you think I should do. With that being said, we're going to close out this video. I've got a few more to knock out. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.